Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something special for you. But before I get started, I do want to shout out to all my current subscribers, like I always do. Thank you guys so much for all of your interaction with the channel. I really do appreciate everything. I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers, and you guys are making this happen for me. I could not appreciate you more. You guys are awesome. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would definitely appreciate it if you headed on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So, without further ado, let's get into this watch and show you guys what I have on the table today here at Dave the Watchman. It is a BULOVA watch. BULOVA. Never sure how to say this name, but it is a great watch company, and let's get into it and take a look at it. It looks like the box has been taped up. Oh, guys, horrible presentation on this thing. It looks like they sent me something used. Very, very poor presentation on this watch. God, I mean, that is just horrible. It's like, what a shame for such a nice looking watch online. It came presented horribly. This is the setting instructions and warranty information here. I had a lot of high hopes for this watch. I hope it's not dashed by the presentation. As I can see right off the bat, very, very nice quality bracelet with the milled clasp, butterfly clasp locking, push button locking mechanism on this thing. One of the things that I wanted to check out most on this watch, this is it's a BULOVA 96A204 Futuro watch with the skeleton automatic, Japanese automatic movement. But the most interesting feature of this watch, aside from the skeleton look on the dial, is this amazing edge-to-edge crystal. It goes right to the edge of the watch, and that looks very, very classy to me. I really, really think it's a beautiful, beautiful design. So this thing is a skeleton watch, so you can actually see the movements in there with the open aperture and the open heart. You can check out all of the gears moving back there. Very nice sweeping second hand. And it's very, very nice quality with the movement. You can see that weight back there. Everything's nice on this watch, guys. I'm actually very, very impressed by the watch. Was not very impressed with the presentation, but it looks like they might have sent me a used watch or something that was a return. But guys, I think this is a really sharp looking watch. Very beautiful, beautifully looking, classy watch. It's got that real elegant look to it, and that blue is very, very brilliant. It's a very, very nice looking watch. I'm actually kind of taken aback by it. Very, very nice watch. And for the price, you'd expect this thing to be a lot more expensive than what it actually is. The price on this thing on Amazon right now is somewhere in the neighborhood of about 300 bucks. And guys, I would say this looks like a $500 to $600 watch all day long. It's definitely got that feel, the quality. It's got 30 millimeters of water resistance. Let's check out the lume capability on this thing as I hold it up to the light here. And it looks like just the hands are illuminated on this thing. But once again, very beautiful watch. I would have to give this definitely a thumbs up. I do like it. This is the silver version, and I do believe it came in other colors. Not 100% sure, but I would definitely, if you're interested, click on that link and head on over. Very, very solid band. Once again, it is an affiliate link that I will be posting for this watch, so it doesn't cost you anything to use it. But it does send a small commission over to me if you decide to purchase the watch using that link. That's just an amazing crystal. I love that edge to edge look on this thing. It's very, this thing looks more like jewelry than it does a watch. It is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Let's get some of these fingerprints off of it so we can take a really good look at it. Guys, this is so sharp looking. Like, I really, really do think this is a beautiful looking watch. Very, very nice. I don't think you can go wrong for the price. This is just an amazing looking watch. Great quality by Bulova. Love that edge-to-edge domed crystal that they've got on this thing. Very, very beautiful. Very nice touch all around. I could not be happier with this watch. It's got the Bulova logo on the crown. Just a really nice watch all around. I'm not sponsored by Bulova. I tell you my honest opinion on these watches, whether I like them, whether I don't like them. And this is just an amazing looking watch. This is a very sharp, classy looking watch that you could wear with a nice suit or dressed up out on the town. Very, very nice. 42mm case, Japanese automatic movement, push button clasp, butterfly style clasp. Very nice tight bracelet, skeleton automatic, the Bulova 96A204 Futuro watch with the edge-to-edge domed mineral crystal, 30 meters of water resistant and illumination capability. Very, very nice watch. So, once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would definitely appreciate you guys heading on over to Dave the Shoeman on YouTube and checking that channel out. And maybe you guys can become a subscriber of both channels. That would be totally awesome. So thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. Comments on both channels. That would be totally amazing. I love to get those comments. I love to respond to the comments. Tell me if you like this watch, whether you like it, whether you hate it. If you have any questions about this watch, also post those in the description, in the comment section below. If you have any questions about any of the other watches on display here on the table or the watch that I'm wearing, just post those questions as well. I'll definitely answer as many questions as I can, and I do appreciate all of your interaction with my channel. And I hope everybody out there is having a great weekend, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. That is, of course, unless you are over on the other side. Then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. And once again, if you'd like to be a subscriber, click on subscribe. If you'd like to join the channel and support it in real time, click on that join button and see what membership options we do have available. So until next time, we'll see you guys all, and I hope you guys all have a great weekend.